Hi there, Rob here. A lot of the time, people tend to talk about what's urgent and what's important, and particularly managers talk about this a lot. And a lot of management theorists have talked about this. Unfortunately, a lot of the time, we tell you have to make the difference between what's urgent and what's important, but don't really tell you how to go about this. So what I'd like to tell you today is about the Eisenhower Matrix, which tells you exactly what to do with things which are urgent and important. First of all, if something's not urgent and not important, obviously don't do it. And certainly don't do it today. This would be quite clear from the Eisenhower Matrix. Secondly, if something's urgent but it's not important, that would be something that a manager should delegate to someone else to do. So it's all very well as being urgent, but if it's not that important, you don't really have to do it yourself. And I suggest strongly that's something that you would have to delegate in that case. Then we come to something which would be urgent and important at the same time. Now, if it's both urgent and important, that would be something that a manager should take care of himself and, of course, today, if that's possible. And last but not least, and this is where we talk a lot about planning, if something is important but not necessarily urgent, that's something that a manager would then have to plan to do. So very clearly about things, making difference between things that are urgent and important. Once again, if it's urgent and important, do it now. If it's important but not necessarily that urgent, that's something you need to plan to do. If it's neither urgent or important, just don't do it. Put it to one side. If it's urgent but not that important, that's then something that you should consider delegating. Thanks very much for your time. See you again in the near future. Thank you.